I'm Aiman, and welcome back to my product showcase videos. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this LEPOWER solar light. So let's get right into it. So this solar light is just one that you would mount on the side of your house. It's also motion detected, which means that if anyone walks in front of it, it turns on. We actually have a LEPOWER solar light, or a LEPOWER light in the back there, but that one's not a solar light. It doesn't run on solar. It has to be connected to the house. This one has a solar panel. Now the interesting thing is that this panel is connected by a wire. There are some lights that have the solar panel on top of the light, but this one is useful because you can put it on top of a roof or somewhere farther away from your light. You know, like for example, on the underside of our house, where if you put a light there, it's not going to get much sun. So it's much more beneficial to have a detachable solar panel. Or rather, the correct term would be an extendable, or one that you can put in a different location. So this is the light itself. Right now we're just doing an unboxing so that we can let it charge in the sun. Always get that motorcycle in the back. And you can see that it's adjustable. Both sides are adjustable, and it also goes up and down adjustable. And even this part down here is adjustable. On this side, you can see it has an input for the solar panel, an on, off, and auto switch, which we'll see later. And that's it. There's also a mounting plate, supposedly. You push down to take it off. Okay, so this will be useful later. And then this is where the battery door is. Now the nice thing about this is that it has screws on it. So if the battery dies, and ultimately it will, because all rechargeable batteries die, then we can replace it easily. Now I'm not sure how long it lasts. It probably lasts quite a while, like 5 years. Maybe the LEDs will actually go out before the battery. And I think I saw on the Amazon listing that it said it had a lifespan of 15,000 hours. So quite a long time. But that's the light itself. Let's see what else is in the box. Let me just put that down here. Of course we have a manual, mounting screws, and that's it. Okay, so like I said, we're going to let this charge. We just noticed right here, there is a controller under this part right here. It has a timer for how long you want the light to last when it detects motion, and also a setting for how far you want it to detect motion. So you have 10 feet, 20 feet, 50 feet, and max, which might be useful. You might not need to detect that far. Let's say you're putting this in front of a house, you don't need to detect as far as the road. You might only need to detect as far as like your doorstep. So that's useful. But for the timer minutes, that's very interesting, because depending on how many people might walk by your house in a given time frame, you want to make sure that you conserve as much power for your lamp, because the solar lights, according to the Amazon listing, only have about 50 minutes of battery life on a full charge. So if you set it to 2 minutes, 120 seconds, that means if someone passes by it 25 times, well, that's 2 minutes times 25, that's 50 minutes. So that means that the battery will run out. So it's probably better to put it at like 30 seconds, or maybe even 60 seconds, to conserve the battery life. And also they have a test one, which is basically just keeping it on all the time. Yeah, so this video is only an unboxing video. Like I said, we're going to charge the solar lights in daytime, and then we're going to install it over there. And I may or may not be here to showcase what it looks like in the nighttime when the lights are at their full brightness, and just, you know, how it works. In my next video, I'm going to be doing a video on this DeWalt battery chainsaw. So it doesn't use gas, which is very cool. So go check that out, and I'll see you there. But I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment, subscribe, and look at videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the product showcases, and I'll see you in those videos. I'm Aiman, and signing out.